Okay, I've designed something amazing today. I've got a Palu servo motor controller, which lets me program like motor functions via Python code. And today I've designed something which connects my servo motor to an amazing cool wheel thing I got, which has got tons of grip. Thing like goes perfect and goes at the motor suspension thing I've designed, which is going to go at like suspension thing, which has got like spring above, which gives the robot like grip while navigating, which would be perfect. Suspension shaft thing. Okay, I've printed this. This is the thing I've designed today, which connects a servo motor to the drive shaft, and today I'm testing. Each thing looks perfect, and time to start the motor via the Python code. I've got like demo. Channel 7, PWM 5000. The motor moves. Motor amazing. That's amazing. Also perfect. Yeah, and testing if the motor turns the drive shaft at the connector. Going to design like an amazing motor mount thing, which lets me have the wheel at the drive shaft. Yeah, and working perfect. Oh my god. Beautiful. I have my amazing servo motors, which have tons of torque. So lets me have the motor have like amazing power. If I have like 50-pound huge robot, it's going to be like perfect. Like suspension, which gives the motor, gives the wheels grip while like maneuvering. Well, amazing. I hope you liked my tutorial, and hope everybody's having a happy day.